Biogas. A biogas is gas generated in a closed vacuum or closed vessel or absent of oxygen by fermenting a biodegradable material such as leftover food, poultry waste, cow dung, and many more like that. The closed vessel or closed chamber where biogas is generated is called digester, and we have many types of digester. We have floating digester, floating. We also have fixed digester. But today we are going to concentrate on floating digester. A floating digester is a kind of digester that is constructed using two drums or two plastic container or two container. It depends. You can use plastic material, you can use fiber, glass fiber, you can even use metal, but it's advisable to always avoid metal when dealing with biogas production, because the presence of H2S in the gas can corrode your metal very fast, so always avoid metal as much as possible. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to make a simple digester. Within 1 or 2 hours, you are done with your digester. So, floating digester. To create a floating digester, you need 2 drums. You need 2 drums. One will serve as digester, the other one will serve as gas storage. Let's have our drum here. Let's say this is our drum. Let's call it drum A. Drum A. And we need another drum B, that will serve as gas holder. Let's put it here. So this is our drum B. So this will serve as, this is digester. And gas holder. So the idea is inverting. This will be inverted into this. B will be inverted into A. Get your drum B.
Sir?
This is your drum B. Invert.
Okay, we are talking.
Yes, invert it and put your inlets. This is your inlet. Like say this is your inlet. This is your inlet where your waste will be going. These are our inlets.
That you are talking.
Can you see the inlet? That is the waste inlet. And let's do our gas outlets. These are our gas outlets. Gas outlets. One thing about floating dome is insert and invert, especially when you are dealing with plastic drums. So I'm going to show you how to insert and invert now. Insert. Here we are going to insert so this is drum B. Here is our drum B with gas outlets and waste inlet. So we have insert now. Let's properly insert. You can see now. So these are drum A, these are drum B, and this is our waste inlet. Waste. From here your waste going, here your gas comes out. In this video so far we have learned a lot of things. How to make a floating dome digester for cooking. With your setup you'll be getting free gas every day. In fact, you can set up a floating dome digester within 30 minutes if you have all your material available. All you need is 2 container drum, create waste inlets and gas outlets that will convey the gas to your stove. I'm going to show you how to feed your digester with feedstock. Let's see. These are waste. You pour water into your waste. The formula for feeding your biodigester usually be ratio 2:1. For example, if you have leftover food of 10 kg, that means you are going to add water of 20 kg. If you have leftover food of let's say we have a leftover food of 2 kg, we are going to add 4 liters of water. So you mix it thoroughly and pour into the funnel such as this. Then you are done for that day. So that is how you feed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and drop comments. Always feel free to ask me any question related to biogas. I will drop my number, and in my next video I'm going to talk about fish dome, how you can make a fish dome directly. And also don't forget to watch my past video on how to compress biogas, how to convert electric generator using petrol to biogas, and many more like that. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. You can call us on these numbers.